Hi, my name is Sally and I work at Jayco Sydney. I started out as a parts advisor and have recently changed positions, so I'm now a receptionist and sales administrator. My job consists of answering the phones, I assist the sales team wherever needed, I create signage and price boards for vans, and I'll be the first person to greet you when you walk through the doors at our dealership. When I'm not at work, you'll find me spending a lot of time with my loved ones. I enjoy little getaway camping trips whenever and wherever possible. At Christmas every year, my family and I camp at Shoalhaven Heads. We've been going there since I was born and I'll never go anywhere else at Christmas time. Why do I like Shoalhaven? Because there's so many beautiful beaches just a short drive away. My favourite part about my job is meeting so many new happy faces every day. Also, the team at Jayco are like family. I love being able to come to work to have a laugh. It's really hard to pick which van's my favourite as I love them all, but if I had to choose, it would be the Crosstrack. It's a really good van for couples. I love that it has outdoor cooking. What is my favourite accessory? Here it is. It's the Jayco Escape camp chairs. They're super comfortable and they have a cooler on one side to keep all my drinks nice and cold and a table on the other. So come and see me at Jayco Sydney, 63 to 67 Glossop Street, St Mary's, or jump on the website jaycosydney.com.au.